Have you ever noticed that some English words sound so soft they almost feel like music? Listen carefully. Mirage, garage, beige. They all end with this beautiful, mysterious sound, je, like a gentle buzz of elegance in English. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Han, and today on Dr. Han's English, we're exploring that smooth je sound, the sound in mirage, garage, and beige. It's a sound many learners get wrong, but by the end of this short lesson, you will pronounce it perfectly and confidently. The je sound is made with your tongue close to the top of your mouth. It's like a soft version of the z sound. Let's look at three words that use this sound: mirage, garage, and beige. Each of them ends with that smooth je sound, not a sharp j or z. Say it slowly with me. Mirage, garage, beige. Great. Now let's explore their meanings and how to use them in sentences. First word, mirage. A mirage is something that looks real, but it isn't. You often see it in the desert. When hot air bends the light, it looks like there's water far away, but it's just an illusion. It means something that appears real, but it isn't, often seen in the desert. For example, the tired traveler saw a mirage in the distance. Notice the pronunciation, mirage. Don't say mirage or mirage. Keep it soft at the end. Mirage. Next word is garage. A garage is where you park your car or repair vehicles. For example, the car is parked inside the garage. Most people say garage with a hard j, but that's incorrect. The correct sound is garage. Again, that smooth j at the end. Let's repeat. Garage, garage. The car is parked inside the garage. And the third word, beige. Beige means a light brown or creamy color. It's very common in clothes, walls, and interiors. For example, she wore a beige dress to the party. Be careful, it's not beige or beige. It is beige. Just that soft j sound again. Now let's have some fun. Here's a tongue twister with all the three words. Ben's beige car vanished like a mirage near the garage gate. Try saying it slowly first, then faster each time. Ben's beige car vanished like a mirage near the garage gate. Ben's beige car vanished like a mirage near the garage gate. Say again, Ben's beige car vanished like a mirage near the garage gate. Remember, keep the j sound in mirage, garage, and beige. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Mirage, something that looks real but it isn't. Garage, a place for cars. Beige, a light brown or creamy color. Record yourself saying the tongue twister. Ben's beige car vanished like a mirage near the garage gate. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Share it with Dr. Han's English and tag me on social media. Keep practicing and soon this elegant je sound will come naturally to you. See you again in my next video.